Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys literally how to make money on YouTube, right? So I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm going to jump right into my screen right now and show you guys some proof, right? Before we get into this video proper, So on my laptop screen right now, and you can see that on this channel right now, I've made over $36,000, this year alone on this channel. And this second one right here, I've made over $400, in this channel. And this particular one right here, there's over $4,000 made on this particular one alone, right? So, and this next one here, I've made over $161,000, over $161,000 this year alone, right? So everything right here is about $200,000, and this is just January, February, March. March, yeah, a March. Just 3 months. Okay, this is the 4th month. Okay, yeah, let's say less than 4 months actually, and I've made over $200,000. And the interesting thing is that I do not have just one YouTube channel, right? Now, most of you guys, when I say YouTube channel, you think this is the one I have. I found out that YouTube is a business, so I decided to build a YouTube business, right? I have 10 channels as at right now. I have 10 YouTube channels as at right now. And some of those channels, people actually make videos on it for me. Like I pay my staff. They sit down and they make videos. I put it on these channels, and these channels are growing. Like they're growing massively, right? The interesting thing is that some of these channels actually started making money even before YouTube monetization. In this video, we're going to be discussing 5 ways to make money on YouTube, right? But before we get to that, my name is Gerald. I'm around making money online. And what I do on this channel is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. So it's important for you to watch the video with me from beginning to the very end. And another interesting announcement is that I'm going to be holding a physical training on YouTube and how to make money on YouTube, showing you guys exactly what I'm going to be discussing in this video. I'm going to be dropping details, how you can be a part of that training at the end of this video. So it's important for you to stay with me from beginning to the end of this video, so that we can actually, I can tell you guys exactly how to become a part of it and start making money on YouTube, like you just saw me do right now. So, guys, that said, how do you make money on YouTube? Now, the first way to make money on YouTube is ad revenue, which is what I just showed you guys on my laptop right now, using the ad revenue. So what happens is that you start the channel, you push out content. And when you get to 1,000 subscribers, just 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, that means that people must have spent 4,000 hours consuming your content. You can apply for YouTube monetization and you can get monetized. And guys, that is the way to do it. But there is another way, right? Which means there are persons that their job is to get you monetized immediately. So you can start a YouTube channel and get monetized immediately. So I'm going to be telling you how you can get in touch with some of those guys at the end of this video. So it's important for you to continue watching, guys, right? So that said, that's the first way to make money on YouTube, ad revenue, right? Now the second way to make money on YouTube is affiliate marketing. Now, that is the core of my business. That is exactly what I do. Apart from YouTube and all those other things that I do, my consulting services, everything, I make money with affiliate marketing on a daily basis. And one thing I love about affiliate marketing is the fact that it's passive income, right? So you write a blog post, you put it right there. The blog post is ranking. People are clicking on it and making money. Now, Google is the biggest search engine in the world. It's over 150 billion searches every month, right? The second largest is YouTube, which is where you are right now. So there's no reason why you shouldn't be making money on YouTube. Now, if you go on YouTube right now and you search for stuff like, let's say, iPhone 13 review, all the videos that you're going to see on YouTube right now, if you do that search, you're going to see that in the video description, there's going to be a link linking out to where you can actually buy that iPhone. What happens is that these guys are very intentional, and that's what I do too. I do it too. And I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how to do this in the physical training that I'm going to be talking about at the end of this video. So it's important for you to stay with me till the very end of this video so you do not miss anything I'm going to be talking about. You don't miss that important announcement. So what happens is that once you do a review of a product, you put your link, you can actually build a whole YouTube channel around this, right? You can sign up on Jumia, you can sign up on Amazon as an affiliate from anywhere in the world. You can sign up wherever it is that you want to sign up and start making content, and doing all of this. And guess what, guys? You're going to make a killing, right? I've made money with this. I still make money with this on a daily basis. If you guys remember the Piggyverse video I made, which is showing up right here, right now, I made over 6 million, 5 million, around that on Piggyverse, and that is one of the strategies I employed to actually do make that money, right? So it's very, 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 very important. So number one is ad revenue. I've talked about that. Number two is affiliate marketing. I've talked about that. Now, number 3 is sponsorship deals. Now, right now, if you want me to make a promotional video for you on my channel, right, I charge about 500,000. When I started, I remember the first sponsorship deal I did was about $100 or $200 when I was around 20,000-30,000 subscribers. So right now I do that on a daily basis, and I've seen YouTubers that actually charge as much as 5 million, as much as $5,000, to actually do that. And my $1,000 is the basis that I collect on this channel for me personally, at this level right now. So but there's no reason why you shouldn't be doing the exact same thing. You build a business on YouTube and people reach out to you and tell you, Gerald, I want you to make a video, introduce this product, this amazing product to your audience, right? And review the product. And if it's good, if it's not a scammy product, it's a product that actually benefit my audience, I collect money and I make those videos for those organizations. Now, what happens is that they have paid me, but the ad revenue on that video, I'm still going to be making money from that ad revenue. Now, there was an instance, a particular video I made on this channel. I made that video. They paid me $2,000 to make that video. On the ad revenue, on the flip side, that video has made about $5,000 for me right here on YouTube. So at the end of the day, I collected $2,000 to make that video. I also made another $5,000, from YouTube ad revenue on the same content. So total it's $7,000 I made on that particular video. And the interesting thing is that it is progressive, which means that anybody that watches that video right now and clicks on the ad, I'm still going to make money on that video, right? So I don't know why you shouldn't be jumping on all of this, right? And if you're interested, like I said, stay with me to the very end of this video, and I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how you can be part of this training. So that said, and the next way to make money on YouTube is Patreon. I'm not a big fan of Patreon because I think it's begging. Maybe I will start doing it, maybe, but right now, morally, I'm not gravitated towards that right now. What most YouTubers do is that they create a Patreon account, they put their link somewhere below and appeal to you, their audience, their fans, to actually support their channel, maybe for editing, for their staff. And if you like their video, you can you click on the link and support their fans and all of that. So people click on it and donate $5, $50, $20. At the end of the day, some people make as much as $5,000 every month. With Patreon, people just donate it to them. People like their channel, like their content, they just donate money to them, to support them. You can create a Patreon account and start doing that, right? So that's the fourth way to make money on YouTube. So I've mentioned the ad revenue, I've mentioned the affiliate marketing, I've mentioned sponsorship, I've mentioned Patreon, right? And the fifth one is actually very, 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 very important. But before I get into it, let me talk about the training. If you actually want to learn how to make money on YouTube, like you saw me do, with affiliate marketing, with ad revenue, with like everything that I've talked about in this video, what you need to do right now is for those of you in Abuja, this is actually for those of you in Abuja right now, on the 23rd of this month, which is coming Saturday, I'm going to be in Abuja, right? And I'm going to be doing a training on how to make money on YouTube, for just 20 persons, right? So if you want to be part of that training, I'm going to be leaving a phone number that you can reach out on WhatsApp, to apply to be a part of that training. What's going to happen is that you are going to chat the person up, the number showing on your screen right now. So chat this number up on WhatsApp. If you chat this number up on WhatsApp, you say that you are in Abuja and you want to attend the training. I'm not going to be throwing the venue open. The venue is for just the 20% that will make payment for this training, and it's just 20,000 naira. Right, for 20 persons, 20,000 naira for 20 persons. So the reason why I'm not leaving the venue open is because I don't want people coming there to want to pay on that day. I want just 20 persons, right? So once you contact, you want to make payment, we'll send you the account number, and after you make payment, we'll send you the venue, right, and the time and everything, so that you can be there. It's just for 20 persons. We do not want to exceed 20 persons, and we don't want people coming and say they want to pay on that particular day. So once we've gotten 20 persons, like the first 20 persons that have paid for the training, we are going to cut off every other person. So we are not sending an account number, we're not responding to any other inquiries, right? So it's important for you, if you actually want to be part of that training, it's important for you to make payment right now. And how you do that is basically contact the number showing on your screen right now, right? On WhatsApp, please do not call the number, send a message on WhatsApp. So once you send that message on WhatsApp, what's going to happen is that the account number will be sent to you to make payment of 20,000 naira. After you've made payment, you're going to send out the confirmation. We'll confirm the payment and send you the venue of the training. So on that day, you can actually be at the training it's going to be a whole day, right? From morning till evening. So we are going to be setting up your own YouTube channel We're going to be showing you how to actually rank your videos, because people don't understand these things. It is not about just making videos and putting it out there, right? You have to plan the video before you make it. You know, if you go on YouTube right now and search for create a unique account and search for how to make money online in Nigeria and search for, you know, things like that, you're going to see that my videos are ranking #1 on for those keywords. Now, these are intentional, these are planning, and these are things that I'm going to be teaching you guys at that training, right? Because you as a beginner, the mistake a lot of persons make is that they make content and they share it to their family and friends, right? Their family and friends will watch the first 2 seconds of the video, leave a comment and go. Now that sends a signal, the wrong signal, to the YouTube's algorithm, telling YouTube that this is not a good video. People are clicking out of this video, right? So you don't want to send your videos to your family and friends to watch unless they're going to watch it from beginning to the very end. What you want to do is to leave your video alone on YouTube. Let people who are interested in that keyword actually find the video, and if the video is interesting enough, they are most likely going to watch it for a prolonged period of time. Now that way, YouTube gets the message, you know, YouTube gets the signal that this video is a good video for this keyword, and guess what happens? They rank it #1 or #2 or #3, and that's exactly where you want to be, right? That's exactly where you want to be, especially as a beginner. You know, sometimes I post video on my channel and I don't even notify my subscribers, because those are not the kind of videos that they like. So a lot of persons, I know that a lot of persons will come to the video, watch the first 5 seconds or 10 seconds and click out. That video will die naturally. I've done a video that I didn't notify I put up notification on my channel, and that video today has over 100,000 views, right? But if I had left it and notified people, knowing fully that they will not like this video, they're not going to watch it, that video would have died a natural death, right? It would have died a natural death. So that said, it's important for you guys to contact the number on your screen right now, and of course make payment for the training if you are in Abuja, or you can travel to Abuja for that training. It's going to be a life-changing event, because I'm going to be pouring out everything that I used to make the monies that you just saw on my screen right now, over $200,000, you know, in the first three months of 2022. Right? So this is if you want to be the next YouTube millionaire, it's important for you to start contacting the number right now, and I'm going to be seeing you guys at that training, guys. Right? I'm going to be seeing you guys at the event on the 23rd of April 2022, guys. Right? So about the 5th way to make money on YouTube, I'm going to be discussing that at the event. Right? I'm going to be telling you that at the event. I didn't want the video to be more than 10 minutes, actually around 13 minutes right now. So I don't want, I'm going to be discussing the 5th way to make money on YouTube at the event, guys. So I'm going to see you guys at that event, and until I see you in my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Have a good day, guys.